Today on Tool Time, we're going to talk about chains. How you take them apart, how you put them together. The first tool we're going to look at is the chain breaker. This is a Smith Tool 67217 chain breaker. First step is to put it into your vise, tighten it down. We're going to take our chain, adjust the outer barrel so that we've got enough space to put the chain through. The pin here, we're going to line up with the pin on the chain that we want to push out to break the chain. So let's say we want this one. We just hand tighten that down. When you tighten it down, you want to make sure it fully seats here. If it's sticking out like this, you need to adjust this outward. We need to make sure it's fully seated against the chain. Then we tighten this to push the pin inside the chain breaker against the pin in the chain. Once you're tight against the chain, lubricate the small. Tighten this, which will push the pin against the chain. Then use a wrench. This will push the pin all the way through the chain and the chain breaker. It starts out difficult, gets easy, then gets difficult again as it pushes out the backside. Then it gets easy again. It is now pushed all the way through. Now we just loosen it back up. Now it is out. Chain comes up and out. And we're successfully broken. The old pin is right there. That's all there is to it. Putting two ends of a chain back together is done with what is called a master link. A master link has three pieces: the link, a front plate, and a locking clip. The first thing we do is we take the small ends of the chain, put them together, and we take the master link and we push it through both of them. We then take this face plate, put it on like that. The retaining clip, the first one through. Helps if you turn it to the side to make it a little easier. We push it through to like that. That's all there is to it.